let me show you how I make this delicious almond cherry coffee cake that is a staple in this household. And this is really a great thing for you to learn to make because it's a base for all my coffee cakes, okay? And it just starts off with some unsalted butter softened to room temperature and some sugar. Into that, I added just a little bit of lemon zest because I like how lemon zest plays with almond extract. It kind of brings it to life. Cream that together really quickly, and then add some eggs and add a little bit of vanilla and your almond extract. You can see one egg is much richer in color than the other one because the richer in color one is from my chickens. The other one is store-bought. Isn't that something? Give that a really good whisk until it's all combined. Add in your dry ingredients along with some buttermilk. This is going to keep your cake really moist. And then just whisk it until it comes together into a cake batter. Once it's there, you're going to just set this aside. And I just want to remind you, these videos are in addition to my regular content, never in place of, but I just cook so much, I have to share it with someone, okay? And you are that someone. To make a little crumb topping, I just take flour, sugar, and some melted butter, or I should say semi-melted. And I go ahead and just mix it with a spoon. And once it comes together into like a crumble texture, I just set this aside in the fridge for a few minutes. Take that cake batter. I like to pour this into my little small Bundt pan, but this works really great in a standard 9 by 13 inch pan as well. And then once it's there, I just take some cherry pie filling. I love cherry pie filling. I put this in everything from streusel to cakes. I just love it. I just think it's one of the best things you can get pre-made at the grocery store. This also works really well with blueberry pie filling, apple pie filling. I mean, you name it, you can change this up. This is just like your base recipe, and then just have fun with it. Top it with that crumb topping. This is going to give you texture. It gets like golden brown and delicious. It's just sensational. And right now the weather's turning and we're having beautiful spring days, and I can't think of anything better than this. A cup of coffee, my back porch, and life is grand. All you need is to just pop this into a hot oven at 350 until it's fully cooked through. The recipe is in the description for you, so everything is there. And just slice and go. And just look at it. It's like jammy from that cherry pie filling. It's so moist. It's so delicious. It's fantastic. And it would be a great one to serve at your Easter table as well. Even for something like maybe a brunch. It's fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed.